Earth, our home, orbits the sun in just the right way to sustain life. But what if that delicate balance was thrown off? What if Earth's orbit shifted, closer, farther, or even became wildly irregular? Would we survive? Let's find out. Earth's orbit isn't just any orbit. It's a near-perfect path around the sun that keeps our planet at just the right distance for life. A little too close, and we'd burn. A little too far, and we'd freeze. It's like walking a tightrope in space. Any misstep could mean disaster. If Earth crept closer to the sun, it wouldn't take long before our oceans turned into vast steam clouds, the atmosphere collapsed, and we'd be living in a real-life version of Venus. Now imagine the opposite. Earth drifts farther away, temperatures plummet, oceans freeze, and we're left struggling to survive on an icy, barren world. A more oval-shaped orbit could turn Earth into a planet of extremes, scorching summers, bone-chilling winters, and constant chaos. Imagine a year where each season feels like a natural disaster. Gravitational tugs from giant planets like Jupiter or an asteroid impact could slightly nudge Earth out of its current orbit. In space, even the tiniest changes can have massive consequences. What if we tried to move Earth deliberately, say to escape a dying sun? Could our attempts backfire and push us into a new, uninhabitable orbit? As Earth's position changes, the first victim is temperature. Entire ecosystems would collapse, crops would fail, and extreme weather events would become the new normal. Humanity might face mass migrations, wars over dwindling resources, and the daunting task of trying to adapt to a planet we no longer recognize. Could life find a way to adapt to a new climate, even if it takes millions of years? Or would humans need to retreat into underground shelters or domed cities? Would Earth become a frozen wasteland like an icy Mars or a scorched, barren planet resembling Mercury? Venus, for instance, is a blistering hot world because it's too close to the sun, while Mars sits just outside the Goldilocks zone, a cold desert with barely any atmosphere. This shows how crucial Earth's orbit is. It's a cosmic sweet spot that makes our blue planet so unique. Earth's orbit is a miracle of balance, but it's also a fragile thread in the vastness of space. A small shift could rewrite life as we know it. If Earth's orbit changed, would humanity find a way to survive? Or would we need to find a new home among the stars? What do you think? Write in comment and subscribe to the channel.